Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about the remaining question answers of chapter 12, that is reproduction in plants. So let's begin the discussion of the remaining question answers from chapter 12, that is from question number 6. The question is, explain the difference between self-pollination and cross-pollination. So here we have to make two columns, one self-pollination and one cross-pollination. So number one difference is pollen of a flower reaches to the stigma of same flower. In self-pollination, pollen of a flower reaches to the stigma of same flower. But in cross-pollination, number one, the transfer of pollen grains from the anthers of a flower to the stigma of another flower on a different plant of the same species. So this is what a cross-pollination is, which we discussed already. Now comes the question number 2. No pollinating agent is required in self-pollination. You don't require any pollinating agent. In the same flower this is occurring. Next come number 2, cross-pollination. Yes, here in cross-pollination, pollinating agents like wind, air or insects are required. We need them. Number 3, in self-pollination occurs only in bisexual flowers. Occurs only in bisexual flowers. Number 3, occurs in unisexual flower. Cross-pollination occurs in unisexual flowers. Next come question number 4. It does not lead to genetic variation in the progeny. Means self-pollination from one flower it is occurring, means in one flower it is going on, in one plant it is going on, so no genetic variation. But here in cross-pollination, genetic variation will occur in the progeny. Now comes the question number 7. How does the process of fertilization take place in flower? So the answer is, the male and female gametes fuse together to form zygote. The process of fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. The zygote undergo to cell division or mitotic division to form zygote. So this is what a fertilization is, the process of fusion of male and female gametes, and then a new cell will form, that is called zygote, and which again undergo division and grow in a new plant. Now comes number 8. Describe the various ways by which seeds are dispersed. Describe the various ways by which seeds are dispersed. So answer. Dispersal of a seed take place by various means, such as wind, water, insect, animals and birds. The seeds dispersed by wind are light and smaller in size, so that it may be carried by wind easily. The water dispersed seeds are generally floating in nature. Spiny seeds with hooks are generally carried by animals' body. The birds disperse the seed to far away places by eating fruit they excrete with digesting the seeds. So here this is the process of dispersal of seed. There are mainly 4 agents: air, water, animals and birds. So these are the mainly 4 agents. So air carry those seeds which are light and they have winged structure. Water carry those seeds which are floating in nature, and we carry those seeds which are spiny in nature, or hooked like structure is there which attached our body and we carry them. And birds eat the fruits and they are not able to digest the seed, so when they excrete, the seeds come out from their body and a new plant will grow from that seed, and birds fly from one place to other place. So this is way seeds are transferred from one place to other place. Now comes the question number 9. Match items in column 1 with those in column 2. So from column 1, A is bud. A is bud. From column 2, answer is number 3 is, that is budding. Bud means here that budding thing. Next number B, eyes. Number 5 is the answer from column 2, that is potato. Number C, fragmentation. From the column 2, answer is Spirogyra. It will reproduce by the process of fragmentation. Next comes the number D, wings. So from column 2, the answer is maple. These are the seeds have wings like a structure, and they move by the help of or dispersed by the help of wind. Next comes the number E, spores. The answer is number 4, that is bread mold. Now comes the question number 10. Tick the correct answer. The reproductive part of a plant is flower. The reproductive part of a plant is the flower. Number B. The process of fusion of the male and female gametes is called fertilization. Number C. Mature ovary forms the fruit. Mature ovary forms the fruit. Number D. A spore producing plant is bread mold. A spore producing plant is bread mold. You can write the name also. Rhizopus here not given, that is why I am using bread mold. Next, number E. Bryophyllum can reproduce by its leaves. Bryophyllum can reproduce by its leaves. So class 7, these are the discussion of question answers of chapter 12. I hope you are able to understand. If any problem in the question answers, ask me. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. May God bless you. Thank you, class.